How are you guys doing? This is Ryan, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to talk about why I'm going essentially all in on cryptocurrency and actually how I've convinced my partners in my business that we need to convert parts of our balance sheet in the business into cryptocurrency so we don't get eaten away by inflation and take advantage of this huge bull cycle that we are in to grow our capital and not get eaten away by inflation as the government continues to print money and overall just get more involved in the cryptocurrency ecosystem and be a part of this huge transfer of wealth that we're seeing take place right in front of our eyes as cryptocurrency is nearly a $2 trillion market cap. So that's the topic for today's video. Let's jump into it. So I am essentially going all in on cryptocurrency. And what I mean by that, I'm not essentially selling my stocks I'm long in, but I am really only currently investing in a cryptocurrency right now. And I am not at all concerned about the portfolio allocation becoming so overly allocated in cryptocurrency right now. And it really makes me think that over diversifying your portfolio can weaken the returns. And Peter Lynch had a quote that said this is diversification, not diversification, but by going into too many assets and not taking advantage of assets that are gonna do extremely well, you are diversifying your portfolio. This is not at all financial advice, and I really think you have to feel very comfortable with the investment that you are in before doing something like this, because while your reward can be much greater, your risk is a lot more detrimental. And to have less risk, you need to be more intelligent and really study the topics and not listen to what some guy on YouTube is saying, but go out there and be very well researched. Risk is something when you don't have proper intelligence and do not understand what you're doing with your money. Understanding what you're doing with your money can lead to a lot more reward, and hopefully that is what plays out for me. So if you go back and watch some of my previous videos, you'll hear all my bullish cases on why I am such a bull on cryptocurrency, and I've been talking about this for over a couple of years now on YouTube. But now we are back in a major bull cycle, and there's really nothing else like cryptocurrency that can exponentially grow your wealth like this. So this is a huge opportunity I have in my short lifetime to transfer my wealth and become a wealthier person for me and my family. And this is not gonna last forever. This is gonna go parabolic this year and probably gonna end very badly, and most people will likely lose money. But while the music is playing, it is time to dance. And if you wanna hear about when I'm gonna sell my cryptocurrency, you can check out the video. I'll put it in a card here and also link in the description below. I'll be making updates to this because you really don't wanna sell too early and you don't want to sell too late, but you'll really understand why I still think right now is a good time to buy, in my opinion. And while I'm so confident in doing it, I'm essentially taking all my new fresh capital and buying cryptocurrency, and I'm even taking portions of our cash balance sheet in our business to store in cryptocurrency so we can take advantage of this as well. And I'm actually in the process of filling out an institutional brokerage firm with Gemini, and that's where we will store our cryptocurrency for now. And our businesses are also accepting cryptocurrency. And if you are a business owner, I encourage you to do the same. Be a part of the revolution, be an early adopter, and bring more economic freedom to more people around the world. I was influenced by Tesla converting the part of their balance sheet into cryptocurrency, along with Microstrategy and Michael Saylor. But if it's good enough for Tesla to convert their balance sheet into cryptocurrency, it is definitely good enough for my small business to do the same thing. There's a reason they're doing it. There's a reason they don't want $20 billion sitting in cash, because if inflation is 2 to 3%, that's eating away a lot of capital. But I recently saw Michael Saylor on CNN. He was openly saying that inflation was 15%, and I want to play the clip here.
Michael Saylor, who believes other CEOs will soon follow Musk's high-profile lead, joins us now. Michael, fantastic to have you on the show. How should we view Tesla's decision and what it means for others?
Well, we're in an environment where the money supply is expanding at 15% a year or more, and we expect that to continue for the next 4 to 8 years. So for corporations that are cash rich, cash is the dilutive asset on the balance sheet. It's losing 15% of its purchasing power every year. So by converting a non-performing asset into the best performing asset, which is Bitcoin, they convert a dilutive asset into a accretive asset, and it's really good for shareholder value.
And to me, what is so significant about this is he was not even interrupted in the interview, saying inflation is 15%. We are always told inflation is good for us, and just 2 to 3% never hurt anyone, and it helps the economy expand, and yada yada, and all these things why inflation is good, when it's really only good because it allows politicians to inflate and destroy your money so they can run their programs, and allow the people that get the printed money to benefit the most. And if you're not storing your money in assets like cryptocurrency, real estate, or stocks, you're getting destroyed and getting poorer. Because if you're just renting, your rent's gonna go up. If you're just going to the grocery store and buying groceries, your groceries are gonna get more expensive, and everything else in your life is getting more expensive. So you have to get out of dollars. And you can invest in something like cryptocurrency, which is not controlled by any central actor and does not have that counterparty risk, and is trying to compete to become the currency and something you want to hold. I'm a big fan of Bitcoin Cash because it is great digital currency, and you could also hold something like Bitcoin, which is a very popular store of value, but it is slow and hard to transact. And I actually heard something interesting about Bitcoin, that how it's the store of value kind of like your house. Your house is expensive to sell, it's hard to move around, but it's the most popular store of value in America and for other countries that have property rights. I'm not a huge BTC bull, but it's definitely gaining attraction from major companies, so I do respect that, and I'm happy to see the adoption, and I'm happy to see its symbol, more economic freedom coming to the world, and the competition of currency taking place, which will empower the world and allow more prosperity. And the more prosperity is gonna allow a lot more things to occur. It's gonna allow humans to maybe become a multiplanetary species, take more people out of poverty, and also create more innovation into things like AI and help humans in medical care and help humans live longer. And heck, who even knows, maybe humans will have a singularity with computers and live forever. Heck, I don't know. But we're all floating around on this rock trying to figure out how we can sustain human consciousness for as long as possible. And in a funny way, cryptocurrency does that. But I really want to hear what you guys think. Am I crazy? Is cryptocurrency way too speculative an asset to hold a large percentage of your net worth? I actually will share, a good friend of mine went all in on cryptocurrency in November, literally got all out of equities and cash and went all into cryptocurrency and has made multiple millions of dollars. I'm not doing that per se. I'm holding on to my other assets, like my other pieces of real estate, my stocks that I really enjoy, but all my new fresh capital, well, we're in this phase of the bull market, is going into cryptocurrency projects. What are you doing with your portfolio? Make sure to let me know down in the comment section. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more cryptocurrency investing related topics, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell so YouTube notifies you every time I upload a video, which is every week here on YouTube. And if you want to follow me for daily updates, please make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll put my handle here. It's rgiffen89. I post there pretty much daily. But as always, guys, I'll see you in my next one.